What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you guys are doing? I'm doing good. I'm feeling good. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing night, wherever you're at. I am today here to present you with another beauty video, another makeup video. I am so excited to film this just because I love doing this. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already been a subscriber, and then put your notification on so you know every time that I drop a new video. I'm gonna start by showing you guys the palette. This is the Fenty palette. It's the 3 deep neutrals, Fenty Beauty, and this is how it look. And they have a little thing showing you guys the colors in the back and the names of it, and that's about it. By the way, for everybody that doesn't know, I am in fact a plant mama. It's my child. So I'm gonna start with a primer. I'm gonna use a Fenty Beauty primer. This primer is the True Matte. It's the one that's really mattifying for people that have oily skin like myself. This is a good mask. It just helps control oils throughout the day. So I'm just gonna apply the primer all over my face. So once the primer is done, the second thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight right away with my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is my everyday foundation. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. This one is in the color 440. This is the one that I like to use. I'm going to grab a brush to blend this. This brush is a Sephora brush. This is the brush 70. My favorite brush ever. I love this brush to death. So I'm just going to apply the foundation all over my face, and then I'm going to just blend it using my foundation brush. So good so far, so good. So I'm gonna go to my eyebrows now. I'm gonna use this MAC liner in color Spike. It's kind of like you go up and you go down like this. So I'm just gonna like bring a little bit of what I need, and then just like line my brows, like, you know, trying to just fill in parts that need some filling and shape, whatever. Just following your natural shape, you know. Watch and learn. So I'm gonna use a concealer. This is the Nars. It's in the color hazelnut. I'm just gonna shape the brows. When it comes to blending this concealer around your eyes, you can either use your fingers or you can use a brush. Sometimes I use the finger, sometimes I use the brush. Today I'm going to use the fingers. So I'm just going to take my fingers and just blend it. Now I'm going to go straight to my eyes and start my eye look. So I'm going to be using this Stila Perfecting Concealer. So I'm gonna use it on my eyes as like a base, and then I'm gonna put my colors on top of that. I just want to set the concealer that I put on top of my eyes so it doesn't like move too much. So I'm gonna use like the the setting powder just to put it on top, so it's good. Now it's time for the colors for my eyes. So I'm gonna take this color here, this one, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid like this. I want to take another brush and I'm gonna go with this orange color here, and I'm gonna put it on my lids, like on top, like here. I always like orange on my eyes, like it just looks really great on my skin. Orange, when it comes to eyeshadow, I like it on my skin, so I put it on the crease, kind of warm it up, and then to follow up with that, I'm gonna add this like reddish one, still in the same spot, so you can see it's kind of coming in and like making it a little darker. Do the same thing on this other side. Now that step is done for the crease. I'm gonna now go into my lid and I'm gonna use a shimmer. This shimmer in here, I'm just gonna use my finger and I'm gonna place it on actually my lids, okay, not the crease but the lid. Ooh, you see that? It's so pigmented. So that's done. Then I'm gonna finish up with the darkest one here, and I'm gonna go back into the crease to darken the crease up. If you felt like you made it too dark, you can go back with the orange to like soften it up. I'm gonna show you, like, just go with the orange and then just go back in the crease, and it's gonna soften it up. It's gonna make it less like harsh. So I'm gonna do that the other eye. Like if you feel like you put too much dark color, you can just go back with the orange and soften it up. So that's it for the eyes. That was very simple. Next thing, when it comes to the eye, I'm just gonna use a liner, a liquid liner, to line up like the top of my eye. I'm gonna use this Sephora liquid liner, and I'm just gonna go on top of my eye like this. So that's it for the eyes. I'm gonna now do the rest of the highlighting and contouring. So for the highlight, I'm gonna use the Nars. This is like my favorite concealer to highlight with. So my color is Amande. Wait, Stila Amande, and that's the one that I use. I'm gonna use it underneath my eyes and the other side as well, and then on the nose, a little bit on my forehead, and then here. Then I'm gonna take a little sponge and I'm just gonna blend it. Then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty translucent powder, the same that I use on top of my eye, to set my base for my eyeshadow. This is Nutmeg. I'm just gonna take it with the same sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of put it a little bit, not too much, like just a little bit, you know, like look how natural. I leave it chill like that. I'm gonna take a little brush in a minute and fan it out. So I'm just gonna contour by using this brush. Sometimes I like to do this, right? So I can go really in the nose like that and kind of blend it better. Like that. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna use the mascara. This is a Fenty Beauty mascara, and I'm just gonna use it on the lashes. I'm using lashes, Dream lashes. Then I'm just gonna apply it like so. Okay, one lash done. Now we're gonna go to the next one, you know. So I'm just gonna go with this brush to like remove the extra powder that I had. So last thing is I'm going to highlight highlight with the creamy highlighter by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use this creamy highlighter called Cinnamon. I'm just going to go on the cheeks here. On the bridge of my nose. So I'm going to take this mascara and just put it underneath the eyes as well. Okay, it's done for my eye look. Then now I'm just gonna take, for my lips, I'm gonna take the MAC eye pencil in, MAC lip pencil in color Nightmoth, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Now I'm using this lipstick, it's called Unveil by Fenty Beauty. It's a matte lipstick, it's brown. Because I'm not gonna keep it matte, so I'm gonna use the Fenty lip, what's this one called, glass slipper. It's a clear, believe me, it's clear. It just, so many colors went on it, but I'm gonna put it onto a highbrow of my lips. And that's the look, that's my look, that's it. I finished doing my makeup entirely. Leave a thumbs up if you like the makeup and how I did it. Leave a thumbs up if you love my channel. Also, just a little FYI, this hair is box braids that I did myself, and I'm going to post a video on how I did that step by step. So if you want to know how I do my hair by myself, I do all of my hair by myself. Nobody does my hair. And there's a video coming up. And also, if you want to see more videos of me doing my hair, then thumbs this video up and leave a comment down below.